Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 11 SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Project summary using functions. Use COUNTIF in K3 to count project types, SUMIF in L3 for total costs, and AVRAGIF in M3 for average costs. Copy formulas to complete the ranges. Step 2. Special project counts. Used count in K11 to count projects with costs greater than $100,000 and DCUNTA in K15 for 2019 completed projects based on given criteria. Step 3. Campus-specific costs. Use DSUM in K19 for total costs, Newburgh campus, and Daveridge in K23 for average costs, Hempstead campus. Step 4. Pivot table adjustments. Ungroup years and switch layout to outline form in cost by green feature. Sort grand total ascending and filter IDs starting with RE in cost by campus. Add fields for count, difference, percent difference, and average budget to project budgets. Format appropriately. Step 5. Top project types. Expand project type names and filter top 2 by final cost in project types by year. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268, or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.